Hello! In this video I'm going to quickly show you how to use your OBS settings in Zoom, which will enable you to use all the features on your webcam for Zoom meetings and all sorts of other things. So let's go. So there's many different reasons you might want to use OBS in conjunction with Zoom. In a nutshell, OBS has way more versatility than Zoom in regards to video and audio effects. To quickly share my personal reason for learning how to do this, earlier today I wanted to add a green screen chroma key effect to the background in my upcoming Zoom meeting. Now Zoom does have a green screen effect, which did work. However, it did not let me zoom my camera in or out. I was really surprised Zoom didn't have a way to easily do this, but I ended up learning how to do what I'm about to show you, which I consider to be way more impressive for your meetings and really not all that difficult. Now I am assuming you already have Zoom and OBS installed on your computer and some form of camera as well, so I'll skip the very basics. The first step is to download the OBS Studio plugin called OBS Virtualcam 2.0.5 or whatever that's the version I'm showing you, and I've put the link below for your convenience. So here's where the link will take you. OBS broadcasting software, it's on the obsproject.com. What you'll want to do is just click go to download, which is right here. Just click this button and it'll start. If you click the source code, it'll take you to GitHub, so don't do that unless you want to learn about the coding. It also has instructions down here for how to use this as well. The second step is to open OBS, which we're in right now, and then you just want to click Tools. Once you've run the exe for the virtual cam, you click that. And then make sure you do this. Click Start, because if you don't do that, it will not know it's supposed to work. So all you have to do is click Start here, and I'll just do it to now. Okay, the third thing we do is to open up Zoom, and then hit Settings here, and then you just hit Video, and then for camera, I had it already selected to that, but you'll just do OBS camera. You might have multiple ones if you're there already, and you're watching this video. That's cool. Hope I was able to help there. So then, yeah, it just shows you whatever it's on OBS essentially, and you can of course, pan in with HD and the ratio and still use the other effects. But now you have your OBS settings, which is way cooler. So there you have it. If you do run into any snags along the way, my general advice is to close and reopen OBS or Zoom if either one gives you a hassle. A few times the app stopped registering my webcam as I was adjusting the settings for this, and when I knew I was doing everything else okay and everything else should have been working fine, I simply closed and reopened it, and it worked right each time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was of some help to you. Peace.